there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and this video will be converting from radians to degrees and from degrees to radians. Now let's start by taking negative 300 degrees and converting to radians by multiplying by pi over 180. Now you're going to want to be careful. Look at your instructions. If your instructions say to leave the answer in terms of pi, then you're going to reduce the negative 300 over 180. And then you're going to stick the pi on the side of the answer. If your answer says to answer in 3 decimal places or 2 decimal places, then of course you're going to want to use the value for pi on your calculator to make that calculation. For me, I like to keep mine in terms of pi, so I'm going to cancel these zeros here. 30 and 18 both reduce by 3, I'm seeing 3 is what I'm thinking. So negative 10 over 6, but obviously that goes further. So now I'll divide both of them by 2 and I get negative 5/3 pi. Okay, again, if your instructions ask you to get a decimal, then you would use your calculator's value for pi to make that calculation. If we go the other way, if I have a radian measure of 5 pi over 12 and I want to convert to degrees, I'm going to multiply by 180 over pi. The reason being is because I want you to see that the pi's cancel out here. And now you can multiply across the top. 5 times 180 would give you 900 and then divide by 12. I'm going to pull out my calculator to make that calculation. So it's a little bit bigger number than I doing in my head. And I divide by 12. That gives me 75 degrees here. So I hope this helps you go from radians to degrees, but also from degrees to radians.